So I made a video about the Clicks Communicator device, and me and a lot of other reviewers were saying that this device is a companion device to your already existing phone, such as your iPhone or your Galaxy. I believe a lot of people is confused on what this phone is. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what it is, and I'm going to answer a bunch of questions. So let's have some fun. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So let me answer some of the questions about this smartphone, because I believe a lot of people is confused. Let's go. First, the Clicks Communicator is an Android smartphone that runs Android 16 with all the Play Store apps available for you. And yes, it is a fully functional standalone device, and you could use it as an Android standalone device because it's running Android 16. Next, this is a 5G smartphone with Wi-Fi. And yes, you can make and receive traditional phone calls over the network. Look, on the screen right here, I have all the bands that this device supports. This is a fully functional 5G smartphone. So yeah, you need to know that. Next, the Clicks Communicator has a 4.03-inch AMOLED display at 1080p by 1200 resolution. It has a 4nm MediaTek processor, which probably the Dimensity 800 series mid-range processors. As far as RAM, that's unknown at this time. So just so you know these things. Next, let's talk about the cameras. Right, you got a 50 megapixel main with autofocus and optical image stabilization. The front camera is a 24 megapixel fixed focus camera. Now, as far as the video resolution, it's unknown. As far as the photo resolution, it's unknown at this time. You need to know that. Now, let's talk about the price. The Clicks Communicator is a $499 device that comes with 256 gigs of storage, but at pre-order or reservation up to February 27, you can lock in $399 price points. You could pay $199 to lock in that $399 price point, or you could fully pay for it at $399 plus shipping, right? I will leave the link down in the description below, but after February, it will go up to $499, just so you know. Next, this was strange. People asking about GPS. As far as I know, the Clicks Communicator has GPS on board. I received a few comments about this. Now, as the information that I got from this, I got it through a few groups, and I got this from a third-party website, not the Clicks website, but I got this from a third-party website. I'm not 100% sure, but this is a fully Android smartphone that has 5G and Wi-Fi. So I don't know why it wouldn't have GPS, just so you know, right? It has Bluetooth and NFC. So I believe that GPS should be available for this smartphone. And when I did some Google searches, it does say that the Clicks Communicator does have a GPS chip inside. Just so you know, because I received a few comments saying that this device doesn't have GPS. And up on my research, it does have GPS. Okay, so the colors. I received a few people asking about colors. Look, I've seen a few colors on videos when I watch Mr. Mobile video. When you do your pre-order, you cannot select any colors at this time, even if you fully pay for it. I believe by the time the device shipped, when you do the final order, you get it. I'm sure that you're going to have a choice to pick colors. I know a couple of people was asking me these questions about colors because looking at some of the videos, we've seen green and all kinds of different colors of this device. At pre-order or reservation, you cannot pick a color at this time. I'm sure that before the device shipped, you are able to go online and pick a color for this device, just so you know. And lastly, this device get up to 2 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches, which means that this device is coming out with Android 16 and it will be supported up to Android 18 plus 5 years of security patches. Just so you know, this device will be supported for 2 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches, just so you know. Okay, so this phone is not for everybody. I've seen a bunch of comments saying that they could type faster on a traditional smartphone. They don't need a keyboard. Well, my answer to that question is, this is not the device for you, right? Look, enjoy your tech. Enjoy your Pixel, enjoy your iPhone, Motorola, Galaxy. This phone is not for you. So a lot of people asking me, why it's not a flagship, why it doesn't have the 8 Gen 5 processor in it with 100 gigs of RAM. Again, this is not the device for you. This is not a gaming device. But you can play games on it because it's a fully functional Android device. This device it will not be your primary smartphone camera phone, right? This device is not for you, right? This device is designed to complement, right, your existing smartphone like your iPhone, Galaxy, Pixel, or Motorola. And yes, you can use it as your primary smartphone. But again, this device is made to get work done. I get a couple of questions, a lot of people, a lot of criticism in the comments saying that they could type super fast on their iPhone. Okay, fine. A lot of people believe that there's no need for a keyboard phone. And why have 2 smartphones? And why put a SIM card in this phone and have another phone? Once again, this smartphone here is not for everybody. This smartphone here is not to replace the best camera phone that you have on your existing phone. This device is not here to replace your favorite gaming phone. This device is a complementary device for the people that's looking for a nostalgia device with a keyboard. As you can see right here, I have a few devices that I use keyboards with, right? And I can tell you right now that I use devices with keyboards. It's just me. I like them. I like devices with keyboards. We love these type of phones. So don't knock us for using a smartphone with a keyboard. You continue to use your device, right, with your traditional slab phone, with your virtual keyboard. It works for you. Don't get upset with people like myself that love and excited over a smartphone with a keyboard. If you've been following my YouTube channel, I've made a bunch of videos about these Unihertz devices and BlackBerry devices, and I absolutely love them, and I use them in and out of my rotation all the time. So don't get upset with us. We like what we like. Listen, if you want to see more tech videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.